Good morning, magandang umaga. All the way from Nacpan. We're in search of finding some breakfast today, and I think I found just the place. Let's go check it out. So many dogs here. Hello, good morning. And here's the place. Alright, the food is ready. My absolute favorite, Tocino with rice and some eggs. Nothing like eating in a private owned restaurant, middle of nowhere. It just hits the spot. I could eat this every day. Oh wait, I have been here in the Philippines. Favorite breakfast. And of course we got extras. There's just never enough. I don't know how they make this, but it's so sweet and savory. Masarap. Beautiful walk to Nacpan Beach. There's hardly anybody here. Basically a private beach to just come here and chill, relax. Beautiful trees in the back, perfect weather, and there are also a bunch of restaurants right in front of the ocean. So hot and humid. Trying to stay hydrated. If you come out here, guys, make sure you drink your waters. I keep saying that. Can't stress that enough. Beachfront massage. Sunset view massage. We might have to come back here for sunset. Get a nice massage. But of course, it doesn't have to be sunset. All day is good. Yeah, we're gonna have to come back. All right, today is island hopping day. Our boat is here, and we're gonna have to walk to it. Luckily not swim. It's shallow enough where I can walk. Let's go. Some people are taking a kayak, but we're gonna walk there. All right, slowly but surely, we're making our way. Well, this is interesting. Never had to walk to my boat, but hey, it's all about experiences. But I gotta tell you, this water is surprisingly cold. Being how hot it is, I thought it was gonna be a little bit warmer. Trying to keep my bag dry here. I just stepped on something. It was a rock. Oh boy. Okay, we got this, guys. We got this. So what traveling is all about. Fun experiences, different. Let's do this. But yeah, as you can see, it's pretty shallow. We made it. The water was deeper than I thought, so I had to put the camera away. So the shortest guy, he tricked us. The water was to his belly, so I figured it should be to my knees, but took the wrong path. He came this way, I went that way, and I was neck deep in that water. It was funny, so I had to put the camera away. But here we are, baby, we made it! First stop, Big Lagoon. Well, let's go. To the beautiful Blue Lagoon at the Miniloc Island. All right, we're in the kayak off to the Big Lagoon. Been so excited to come check it out. Let's go. As you get closer, you can see the color of the water changes. And we got ourselves a nice little private beach over there. Yeah, guys, so this water is pretty shallow. If you feel like walking or swimming, you may do so. I can't get over how beautiful this water is. It feels good too. Nice and warm. We are deep inside of the lagoon, where the sun doesn't even shine anymore. It's not hot, it's nice, the water's perfect. Take a look at this view. Insane. It is so peaceful once you go all the way in. Water's calm, perfect temperature. Look at that, no sun. Oh, it feels great. My gosh, look at the water around me. The beauty. Look at the color. Look, even dogs enjoy kayaking, see?
So cute.
Get away from that rock. Right, look at this opening, guys. Little secret passage. All right, going through all the nooks and crannies. All right, let's duck our head so we don't get hit. Close one. Yeah, there's a little secret passage right there. So when you guys are here, you could find it. It's kind of hard to even tell it's there. And coming back around from where we came in from. All right, we're off the kayak. We're going for a much needed swim. This water is so tempting looking at it. It just makes you want to go in. All right, only complaint, there are many rocks under the water. So be careful with that. And sometimes you could kick them. And that would not be a good thing. Or you could cut up your toes, so be mindful of that. And of course, randomly it starts raining. Literally out of nowhere, it starts pouring down. But nonetheless, it's still beautiful. So rain or shine, guys, never stop exploring. All right, getting soaked here. And we have now arrived to the Payong-Payong. We're gonna get off and I'll show you guys. Let's check it out. Beautiful beach. I see some coconuts, which we're probably gonna get some because I am thirsty. And I'm actually gonna have my lunch here.
Yes, sir.
Hello. How much for one?
150, sir.
150. Can I get one? Okay. Salamat. Okay, salamat po. As you can see, very beautiful. It kind of reminds me of Thailand. This little rock right here reminds me of the James Bond Island. So unfortunately, I didn't have the channel back then, so I was not able to post this, but we will be going back very shortly. This really reminds me of Thailand. So Philippines has its own answer back to Thailand as far as the islands. And I gotta say, this is gorgeous. Wow, guys, is this place even real? It's gorgeous. Like I said, it kind of reminds me of Thailand. Again, I've traveled all over the world, but this might be one of the most unreal places I've seen. Beautiful. Yeah, when you come to the islands, guys, there's no rush, there's no schedule, just water and time. Just enjoy it. Enjoy the island vibes. This looks like a crocodile. Actually startled me for a sec. Cool shady spot. Sit down, drink a coconut, and just chill. And this is the reason why I travel, guys. This is why. Man, places like this just remind you how big this world really is and how small we are in it. So many places to explore. Lovely view and some great food. We got ourselves some rice with pork, noodles. Let's devour this. It's been a long day swimming. It just hits a spot. Perfect location for it too. Nothing like some good Filipino food with this lovely view behind me. All right, coming to the other side of the Payong-Payong Beach. Beautiful. So this is where people come for snorkeling. It's got some of the clearest water, some awesome fish. All right, let's see if we could see anything. And we have now arrived to the Secret Lagoon. I'm not sure why it's a secret, but I love those giant cliffs rising above high. Wow, just a beautiful view. Alright, just finished getting a massage at that place I showed you earlier, and pretty good. In fact, it was so good I fell asleep. Alright, we're hungry. Finally getting some dinner here at Guillermo's restaurant in Nacpan Beach. I'm not surprised. Once again, I don't know what's going on with these patties here, guys. Dining, but let's try it. But tasty. Except I need about 5 of these. And then also up next, we got the barbecue chicken, one of their favorite dishes here. Crispy on the outside, soft inside, kind of sweet and sour sauce, a little bit of rice. This will do for tonight. Also, the fries are actually pretty good. Very quiet town, not much going on. You don't have too many options around here, so I think this will do. Probably one of the best ones around here. It's open fairly late. We're gonna have our dinner and we're gonna go rest before heading to El Nido.